Let's take a fun ride through the ABCs with Eaglet's Club and amazing vehicles. A is for ambulance. B is for bulldozer. C is for convertible. D is for dirt bike. E is for electric car. F is for forklift. G is for golf cart. H is for hot rod. I is for Indy car. J is for jet truck. K is for kick scooter. L is for loader. M is for monster truck. N is for narrow gauge train. O is for open top bus. P is for propeller plane. Q is for quarry dump truck. R is for race car. S is for Segway. T is for tractor. U is for utility truck. V is for velomobile. W is for wheel loader. X is for extreme monster truck. Y is for yellow taxi. Z is for Zamboni. Do you remember what vehicle starts with the letter A? That's right. A is for ambulance. An ambulance helps sick or injured people and takes them to the hospital. Do you remember what vehicle starts with the letter W? That's right. W is for wheel loader. A wheel loader is a big strong machine used for construction. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to Eaglet's Club.